Question 1. The Gandharva School of Art is also known as. Correct answer is D. Greco-Roman Buddhist art. Question 2. The Unique Identification Authority of India is a statutory authority under the Ministry of. Correct answer is B. Electronics and Information Technology. Question 3. The collections of Vedic hymns or mantras are known as. Correct answer is C. Sanhita. Question 4. The name you can bank upon is the slogan of which of the following banks? Correct answer is A. Punjab National Bank. Question 5. Constituent Assembly of India was formulated on the recommendation of. Correct answer is D. Cabinet Mission. Question 6. A collective term used by the Jains for their sacred books is. Correct answer is C. Agamas. Question 7. Who has built the Vijay Stambha in Chittorgarh? Correct answer is B. Rana Kumbha. Question 8. The Government of India added the prefix MG to the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act in the year. Correct answer is B. 2009. Question 9. What is the first sermon of Buddha called as? Correct answer is C. Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta. Question 10. The first Muslim to be elected President of Indian National Congress was. Correct answer is B. Badruddin Tayyibji. Question 11. The book, The Life Divine was written by. Correct answer is A. Aurobindo. Question 12. In pre-independent India, Dadabhai Naoroji was the first to discuss the concept of. Correct answer is D. Poverty line. Question 13. The Namami Gange program is an integrated conservation mission approved by the Union government in. Correct answer is A. June 2014. Question 15. Who among the following was one of the speakers after Jawaharlal Nehru to address the parliament on the midnight of the 15th of August 1947? Correct answer is B. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Question 16. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was first sung at the undisco session of the Indian National Congress. Correct answer is D. Calcutta. Question 17. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is accorded annually by The. Correct answer is D. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Question 18. The wetland of Ashtamudi is located in. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 19. Which satellite launched so far by ISRO will meet the requirement of direct-to-home television services in India? Correct answer is CINS-84A. Question 20. Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha together are known as. Correct answer is A. Triratna. Question 21. In which city of South Africa, Gandhiji was beaten up by white men and thrown on the pavement? Correct answer is B. Durban. Question 22. The Sati Pratha was abolished under the Governor Generalship of. Correct answer is B. Lord William Bentinck. Question 23. Which among the following books was written by B.R. Ambedkar? Correct answer is D. Annihilation of Caste. Question 24. At which of the following places is the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library located? Correct answer is C. New Delhi. Question 25. In 1946, who among the following was made the interim president of the Indian Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is D. Satchidananda Sinha. Question 26. Who among the following is the author of the book, Unfinished, a memoir? Correct answer is B. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Question 27. Which of the following day is celebrated twice a year? Correct answer is C. International Astronomy Day. Question 28. Which of the following states has the lowest female sex ratio, according to the 2011 census? Correct answer is D. Haryana. Question 29. Who among the following was the first Indian governor of Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is A. C. D. Deshmukh. Question 30. Which amendment to the Constitution of India added a new subject in the Union list called taxes on services? Correct answer is B. 88th Amendment. Question 31. Who was the first woman governor of India? Correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Question 32. The steel plant at Bokaro was set up in collaboration with. Correct answer is B. Soviet Union. Question 33. Gandhiji's famous Quit India movement call to the British was given in. Correct answer is C. 1942. Question 34. In which year was the Indian National Congress formed? Correct answer is D. 1885. Question 35. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the founder of. Correct answer is A. Brahmo Samaj. Question 36. Who initiated the movement to form the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is B. A. Ohame. Question 37. Kamarup is an ancient name of which region of India? Correct answer is A. Assam. Question 38. The Cabinet Mission of 1946 was led by. Correct answer is C. Sir Pathak Lawrence. Question 39. What did Gandhiji meant by Sarvodaya? Correct answer is B. Upliftment of untouchables or Dalits. Question 40. Who propounded doctrine of passive resistance? Correct answer is C. Aurobindo Ghosh. Question 41. Who raised the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Correct answer is B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question 42. The founder of the Lodi dynasty was. Correct answer is A. Balul Lodhi. Question 43. Who established the Indian Civil Liberties Union in 1936? Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 44. Who gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? Correct answer is B. Women of Bardoli. Question 45. What satyagraha was held at Nagpur in 1923? Correct answer is C. Flag Jhanda Satyagraha. Question 46. Jallianwala incident took place at. Correct answer is B. Amritsar. Question 47. Who founded the Naujawan Bharat Sabha? Correct answer is C. Sardar Bhagat Singh.